Hey everyone, welcome back. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the Linux file system, its core structure, and why mastering it is essential for smooth system management. A common pain point is getting lost in the maze of directories or not knowing which folders are eating up space. This often results in unexpected storage issues and downtime. We'll walk through the top-level hierarchy, explain each folder's purpose, and then show you two powerful commands, df and do, that give you instant insight into your disk usage. Now let's see these commands in action. First, df. H displays human-readable disk usage for all mounted file systems. Next, do. sh/var/log shows the total size of the log directory, helping you spot heavy log files quickly. A few best practices. Always verify mount points before interpreting df output. Use the H flag for human-readable sizes. And when using do, limit depth or target specific directories to avoid long waits. To recap, we covered the Linux file system hierarchy, demonstrated df and do for disk monitoring, and shared best practices. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for future Linux tutorials.